This video is the assembly of a Suncast, where we go, Hideaway water hose with brass connections. Here we go. Alright, in the kit, or well, the box if you will, comes the instructions, a hose and a reel, and then also this here is the automatic feeder, so as you crank it, it goes left to right, left to right. And then on this side there is a handle that pops out like so, and use that to turn and reel the hose in. And so I have my spigot right here, and it says to read the instructions before you begin. Pretty straightforward though. You put this onto there, and then one end onto this side spigot here that you see, and the other end of this hose goes to the faucet, and then your hose actually goes in right there, and you run it through the opening here and out the front here. The next step that I've done is to run the hose. So I connected on the side here that goes inside to here, ran it behind, and then up into the faucet. Next part is to run the actual hose through here and connect it on. I did go ahead and read the instructions, and it says to stretch out the hose the full length, so I've done that. And I actually did have a couple of knots that developed when I attempted to stretch it out. So good thing I went ahead and did that. So the next step now is to actually go ahead and connect the end of the hose through the opening and through the slider rail thing onto the faucet. After several minutes of winding the wheel, if you will, I have it entirely wrapped up. So all you gotta do is close it, and that's it. And I can probably take the sticker off the front too. The only thing I kind of notice is when you're winding this handle actually you can't have a tight grip on the handle, because if you do, then you won't be able to turn, because this handle is not like a free spinning handle, like it's rigid. And that being said, you have to have a very loose grip on it so that you're able to crank it. But when you're done, you can also fold it back in, or at least I think it folds back in. Let's see. Well, I guess not. It folded out, but I guess it doesn't fold back in unless there's some kind of release or something. But all right, so it's there nonetheless. So this was about 50 bucks for this, just the, not including the hose, just the reel itself. So if you're interested in one of those, again, I picked it up from the Blue Home Improvement store. I'm not going to call their name because they're not a sponsor of this video, but you can probably figure that out. So that wraps things up for this video. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, peace out.